Hey guys, what's up? This is Bharat Nagpal. You're watching iGyaan. Today we're going to be checking out the Xiaomi water purifier. Slightly unusual, but something really worth checking out. So let's quickly get started. Now we know water purifiers are a pretty common thing in India, but before we get started with this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell notification icon to continue to see more such content. Now water purifiers go way back, where a simple purifier could be connected to a tap to get slightly cleaner water, to the new modern RO filters that can cost quite a lot. And the reason why water purifiers are so popular in India is because our sources of water or our water system is not the cleanest, and the water that we get in our tap is usually unhealthy for drinking directly. So Xiaomi's launched a new water purifier which takes away from what is typically known to be taboos around water purifiers. So for example, whenever a water purifier breaks down, you don't really know what is wrong with the water purifier and you need to call a service technician, and they'll usually replace filters or give you some sort of excuse whether the pump is not working or something like that. With the Xiaomi water purifier, everything is now smart. So this is a smart water purifier. It connects via Wi-Fi to the Mi Home app, and it allows you to not only monitor the TDS levels of your water incoming, but also TDS levels of your water that is being dispensed to you. So you don't need a third-party test tool or a TDS testing pen that Xiaomi also sells. The Xiaomi water purifier is available at 11,999. This is a 5-stage water purifier. 4 of these 5 stages are broken down into the cartridges, which are also really interesting. I'll talk about that in just a second. But the 5th stage is the UV sterilization stage, which happens within the water purifier itself. So stage 1 and 2 is in the first filter, which is the PPC filter. This has the polypropylene cotton and the activated carbon filter. This removes things like chlorine, color, odor, and any kind of organic matter that is in your water supply. This is cleaned by the first sort of cartridge, which has the first and the second stage. Stage 3 is the reverse osmosis filter. Now this is the second cartridge that goes into your water purifier, and this will cut down on heavy metals, bacteria, viruses, scales, things like organic matter and impurities till 0.0001 micron. The 4th stage, which is the third cartridge, is a post-activated carbon filter. So after the purification is done, this is a carbon filter that removes any residual odor and any residual organic matter from your water, basically making it as clean as possible. And then the final stage is the UV sterilization, which happens within the tank, and it sterilizes the water every 4 hours for a total of 20 minutes. So even if you don't have your water being used within the tank, this will sterilize it every 4 hours, so that any kind of bacteria that may form after 4 hours will be killed automatically with the water purifier. The special thing about these cartridges is that they are user replaceable. The app will tell you what life of the cartridge is left, and once you run out of that life, you can simply replace, remove, and order new cartridges from Xiaomi's own website and then replace them yourself. This will not only save you time, but also save you a lot of money, like service fees and additional visitation charges that a service company may charge you, and also make sure that you always get authentic filters because you'll be ordering directly from Xiaomi's website. Now this purifier will purify more or less TDS up to 90%, and this is a real scenario. When we went for the actual demonstration, they poured in water which was 1700 TDS and it broke it down to about 150 TDS, which is impressive. Here in our office, our outside water is usually around 300 to 400 TDS, and it breaks it down to about 3940 TDS, which is what we're getting in the output. The purified water rate is about 0.13 liters per minute, which is approximately 7 to 8 minutes to give you a liter of pure water. Another thing that a lot of people should be aware of is that there is a 33% water recovery from this water purifier. That means that approximately 2 liters of water will be wasted for every 1 liter of pure water. Overall, this water purifier is affordable with respect to the features that it offers. It is also easy to use because you have an app that monitors everything and you know what kind of TDS value you're getting from your water. It has UV sterilization, which means that it is actively killing bacteria, and it also tells you on the app that it is presently sterilizing the water. You also have your in TDS and your out TDS, along with filter replacement warnings, and the fact that you can buy filters and replace them yourself makes this a pretty smart and ingenious water purifier. Definitely go check this out if you're in the market for a water purifier. This is different from what we like to review. If you guys like this video, guys, don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're not already a part of Team iGyaan. This has been Bharat. I'll see you guys in the next one.